Top 5 Best Action Cameras and Camcorders in 2022. Number 5. GoPro Hero 9 Black. GoPro's Hero 9 Black Action Cam delivers excellent, stabilized 5K video and up still quality, but not everyone should spend more when the Hero 8 Black is still available for less. Pros: up to 5K quality at 30 frames per second, front-facing color LCD, exceptional video stabilization, up to 240 frames per second HD slow motion, time-lapse, buffering, and HDR imaging, USB-C charging, strong app support, compact and waterproof. Cons: you'll likely want to carry extra batteries, subscription service adds recurring costs, discounted pricing not available from all retailers. Coming in number 4, DJI Osmo Action. The DJI Osmo Action is a small, waterproof action camera with 4K video and a full-color front LCD, but its stabilization isn't quite as good as rival GoPro. Pros: rugged, waterproof build, stabilized 4K footage at up to 60 frames per second, 1080p slow motion at up to 240 frames per second. Easily swappable filters, supports HDR and flat profiles, front and rear color displays, filters included. Cons: battery life could be better, HDR video isn't stabilized. Stabilization not as good as GoPro, no tripod socket. Coming in number 3, DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2 reimagines the action camera in a modular form factor with support for magnetic mounts. It's innovative, but falls a little shy of dethroning GoPro. Pros: tiny, go-anywhere form factor, magnetic mount and snap-on accessories, effective digital stabilization, up to 4K 120 video, 12MP photos, waterproof to 33 feet, works as a webcam. Cons: front screen option pushes price high, overheating is a concern, no card slot or charging port on main camera module, front screen and battery aren't waterproof. Coming in number 2, GoPro Hero 8 Black. The GoPro Hero 8 Black is the company's best action camera to date, offering class-leading stabilization and video quality in a rugged, waterproof body. Pros: stabilized 4K at up to 60 frames per second, rugged, waterproof design, crisp touch LCD, integrated mount, improved user interface, USB-C charging. Companion app with automated editing, promising mod expansion system. Cons: Wi-Fi video transfer can take some time, cramped memory card slot. Coming in number 1, GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black looks a lot like the Hero 9, but rolls video with more pixels and double the frame rate, making it the company's best action camera yet. Pros: 5.3K capture at up to 60 frames per second, 120 frames per second 4K for slow motion, class-leading video stabilization, front-facing color screen, waterproof without an add-on case, media mod support, extended run enduro battery available as add-on, Wi-Fi and USB transfer for phones and tablets. Cons: included battery drains quickly, costs more when bought without a subscription, heat limits long-form recording.